Ever wondered why we don't just float away into space? Well, it's all thanks to an invisible force called gravity. It's like an unseen hand that always pulls us back down to Earth, no matter how high we jump. This incredible force draws everything toward the center of the Earth, keeping us, our belongings, and even the atmosphere from drifting off into space. It's constantly at work, even if we don't notice it. Gravity is the unseen glue that holds our world together. Gravity may seem complex, but it can be understood quite simply. Picture it as an invisible web, a force of attraction that exists between any two masses, any two bodies, any two particles. It's like an unseen hand that pulls us towards the Earth, keeps the Moon in orbit, and binds far-off galaxies together. It is an all-encompassing force, a universal law that affects everything in the universe, from the tiniest speck of dust to the most massive star. It's not picky or selective. If it exists, gravity affects it. So remember, next time you pick up an object and let it fall, you're witnessing a fundamental law of nature at work. Gravity is the silent force that shapes the universe. So, what have we learned about gravity? We've unraveled that gravity is this invisible force constantly pulling everything towards the center of the Earth. It's like an unseen hand that keeps us from floating off into space. But gravity isn't just about us and our planet. It's a universal principle that exists between any two masses, no matter how large or small. From the apple falling from a tree, to the Moon orbiting the Earth, to galaxies clustering in the vast cosmos, gravity is at play. It's this fundamental force that shapes our world and the universe beyond. Gravity, the unsung hero, keeping us firmly on the ground and our universe in order.